Yesterday we had already discussed about the plant show tropism in response to other stimuli as well. Now what is tropism actually? Tropism is also called tropic movement. The movement of the curvature of plant organ due to effect of an external and directional stimuli is called tropism. Now this is the definition of the tropism. Now if this stimulus is in the growth of the direction of the stimulus, then that type of tropism is called positive tropism. And if the growth of the plant is away from the direction of the stimulus, means opposite direction, means that is called negative tropism. In short, the tropism is of two types. Positive means the growth is in the direction of the stimulus. Negative means the growth is away from the direction of the stimulus. Now, the plant show movement with respect to 5 types of stimuli. Stimuli का मतलब होता है महसूस करना, right? Now here these 5 types are due to light, gravity, due to chemicals, water and touch. Now different ways we will discuss about it. Now first one is the stimulus is light, and the tropism, the type of tropism, that is called phototropism. Photo means light. Photoperiodism means that is the movement of the plant in response to light is called photoperiodism. Now you have seen the sunflower. So sunflower, the flowers, they change the direction as the direction of the sunlight changes, and stem responds to light and bend towards. You know that stem of any plant that is outside the soil and roots are inside the soil. So these all the stems, they bend towards, and it is called positive photoperiodism shown by the stem. Now you know the roots. The roots of the plant, they are away from the light. So this is called negative photoperiodism. Now second one, that is gravity. The gravity means that is related to earth. Earth means geo. So that type of tropism is called geotropism. The movement of the plant in response to gravity is called geotropism. And you know the stem that is away from the gravity of the earth, and it shows negative geotropism. So in short, the stem shows negative geotropism, while the roots go deeper in the soil, so they shows positive geotropism of every plant. Roots of the plant positive geotropism, and stem shows negative geotropism. Now third one, the stimulus is due to chemicals, and that type of tropism is called chemotropism. Now the movement of the plant in response to chemical stimulus is called chemotropism. And for example, the growth of pollen tubes in downward direction towards ovule during the process of fertilization in plants. So that shows the chemotropism. Then next one, fourth type, that is the stimulus, that is water, and that type of tropism is called hydrotropism. Hydro means water. So the tropism due to water. The movement of the plant part in response to water is known as hydrotropism. The roots of the plants always grow towards the water. So roots shows positive tropism. Then last one is that the stimulus is touch, and the tropism is called thigmotropism. So the direction movement of plant in response to touch is called, thigmo means touch. So in response to the touch, that is called thigmotropism. Now you know yesterday we had already discussed when we touch the leaves of the touch me not plant, they get folded and plant closes itself when we touch it. So that is due to thigmonastism, means thigmotropism, and that is because of the touch. So all the 5 types of stimulus you have seen and what type of tropism they show. Now for this, in your book, activity number 7.2 and figure number 7.5 and 7.6 you can see, and you have read activity 7.2 for this. Now in this, the movement of plant response to the light is shown in figure number 7.5, and the stem responds towards light and bend towards, this is called positive phototropism, and roots of the plant, they bend away from the light, this is called negative phototropism. For example, that can be observed in root bends plants, that it is kept in room which receives sunlight through the window. Okay. Then next one, that is geotropism. The movement of plant in response to gravity movement in the direction of gravity is called geotropism. Stem always that grow away from the gravity of the earth, it shows negative geotropism, while roots, they always grow towards the gravity of the earth, means root shows positive tropism. So for example, if you tilt a potted plant and keep it for few days, you can see the effect of geotropism. Then hydrotropism, the movement of the plant part in response to water is known as hydrotropism. For example, the roots of plant always grow towards water. Roots show positive hydrotropism, and they always grow downwards and are growing on right side where water is available. Then chemotropism, then the pollen tubes, thigmotropism, movement, tomorrow we shall discuss about it. Okay.